Okay, so we run into an issue in the shop. See, when this building was first built, it wasn't intended to be a machine shop. It was intended to store an RV. The guy that built the place, though, still had a bunch of electrical outlets installed. Alright. Unfortunately, whoever installed them very cheaply. Because you see, we know electricity and metal don't mix. Okay, it's a bad combination. But you still need copper wires to transmit the electricity and all that stuff. So, you know, you gotta mix electricity and metal. I'm trying to adjust the camera here to get a good angle. Oh, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work. So, when they installed these, I've got to be very careful because the camera, there's heavy metal pieces around here and shit, and if I drop the tablet, it's going to get all fucked up. Okay, you stay there. Normally, well, properly installed electrical outlets, you would use a plastic box. In this case, they put in a metal box. By the way, yes, breakers down there, I already turned it all off, okay? This whole wall is dead right now. We have multiple breakers we can turn off and on in different ways. So, I pull this out, and probably you can't see very well, but this box here is not only metal, but it's also the smallest one they can get. So they're being cheap. And what's going on is occasionally these these copper wires are making contact with the metal of the casing. You know what? I'm gonna have to get a picture of this. Okay, we're back on. So, how do you fix that? Well, properly fixed is you'd pull the box out and put a plastic box in there. But one, we don't want to spend the money, we don't want to spend the time, so we're also being cheap. Tape! You take electrical tape and you wrap it around, covering up all these exposed metal bits. And you gotta do it at least 3 times. This would be my second wrap. And this would be my third. Giggity! Third wrap around. See? And now that I've got that all contained, now, you don't need to worry about the green line. The ground line, there's no power going through it, so you don't need to wrap that one up. But, like, it's going to get wrapped up anyways. It's like you don't got to worry about this little copper bit here. Okay, like if the power was on and I went like that, nothing would happen. So, jam that crap back in there. Put that in there. Get our motor. I got adjustable speed on this thing, and since I'm doing smaller bits right now, you want to put it on a slower speed. If you have it way up here, it's gonna wrench it straight in, and it might strip out the things, the threads. There's our plate. Here's our smaller screw, and there we go. I have now successfully repaired my faulty electrical outlet. And I've got weird ones like that one over there I'm not going to bother with. But I've got several others around here that I need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. It's looking good. It really is. Bye.